All right, all right, all right. Everyone find your seat. Okay, I'm done taking attendance. Raggedy Ann, get off your phone. Thank you. Today our lesson is to figure out which cans can roll the fastest. Now I know some of you are very bummed out that March Madness NCAA tournament was canceled. So we're going to make our own Madness in March by erasing cans from our pantry. Did you see that? The Come From Behind Victory by Garbanzo Beans. What's that, Bear? No, we can't use a box of mac and cheese. This is canned food. Your job is to find out which cans are going to roll the fastest and to find out which cans are going to roll the slowest. The setup is simple. You make a bracket over here with 8, 12, or even 16 cans. So let's say you have soup versus tuna. No, I've answered that question already. We are not gambling on this.
Mine one.
It's a close one.
Wait, he's right before me. No.
You'd have beans versus olives. Garbanzo beans are playing dirty at the end. After all your challenges are over, we may have soup coming out ahead, and then soup would face off against garbanzo beans in the next round. Take your earbuds out, please. But we also want to know which two are the slowest. So we would have to race olives against tuna, and the bracket would have to come back this way to have tuna face off against olives and find out who's the slowest. That way we could look at the 2 or 4 slowest cans and the 2 to 4 fastest cans, and we could find out what do they have in common. What makes the fast cans fast? What makes the slow cans slow? Is it something about their size, the way the cans are made? Is it the actual contents of the can and what's inside? When you figured out what they have in common, use the link that's under this video to report your results. There's no eating in class. Put that granola bar away.